Alright guys, this is part 6, the final ceiling fan here at my house in Casey County. This is in my living room. This is in my sunroom. Sorry about that. This is a Harbor Breeze barn base, Barnstaple base, something like that. We were gonna get 2 more ceiling fans for the sunroom, but we decided not to since we're moving. So now something mentioned about the light. Look at this. If I do this, look. If I do that, see? Now if I do this, see? Now I'm gonna show you the light real quick. Alright. Now, oh, by the way, before I turn this on now, in case you're wondering why that is not an original Harbor Breeze down rod, that's actually a Hunter, because back then there used to be a Hunter original fan here, but then the motor quit working, the motor blew out, so when I tried to spin it, sparks flew out, so I had to tell my parents try not to spin it, because sparks might fly out and blow the thing up and catch the house on fire, so we had to have it replaced. Yeah, and I told my uncle I tried to see if he could take that whole thing down and replace it with a different, but he told me he couldn't because he'd have to get more wood and to put another one, make a little hole smaller. So I was like, okay. Well, I was okay with that then because we were moving, by the way, so that's why. So if you don't like that, I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm not staying at this house anymore. So anyway, then go ahead and turn on low. It's really quiet. It's a very nice fan. It does wobble and shake a little bit on high and medium. Yeah, but this is a very nice fan. It's pretty quiet, but at least here's the pull chains for it. And those are the light globes. They're very nice. Yeah. Alright, that's medium. I mean that's low. So now we're gonna turn up to high, medium. Sorry about that. I don't know what's wrong with me, but anyway. Here's medium. Oh, and by the way, this also, when we first bought the house, only like this room wasn't here, then this was a patio, so only the den in the other bedroom wasn't there, which only meant the ceiling fan in the dining room was the only one there. So then, when my mom and dad first brought this house, they went to Lowe's and got one for the living room and for the other back bedroom. And then when we added on for the den, they went to Lowe's again and got one for the den, which is the computer room. They also got one for the other back bedroom. And then when we had this room added on, we went to Lowe's and got this. We got the old Hunter fan back then when it worked, but then we went to Lowe's again to get this fan for this room. Then when that one quit working, anyway, that's medium, and here's high. Ooh, that feels good. Blows even more air on high. So, gonna go ahead and turn the light on for a minute here. Yeah, I'm not going to climb up there because this one's a little high. Oh wow. Gotta be really careful with this. Alright. There we go. So, I don't want to break it, but this air sure feels good. It's really nice and quiet. Now I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to show you it real quick on pulling the air up. One more thing to show you. Alright, there it is on low. There it is on low. So, and then, alright, that's low. Now we're going to there we go. Alright, there's back on low, pulling air down. Alright. One more thing. Gonna do this. Gotta be very careful. There's the top of it. Alright, and there's the pull chain. So there you go. These are all the ceiling fans here in my house. So hope you all enjoyed it. Until then, if you have any comments, go ahead and be free to leave me one. Until then, thanks for watching. That's it for right now. Hope you all enjoyed it. So, once again, these are the 6 ceiling fans in my house. That's all I have for you. Until then, that's it.